Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact base number and extension format. This prevents misrouting. Dial the main number first using your phone or soft phone and enter any required PIN when prompted, because many systems check identity before transfer. Once connected, listen for a prompt or menu that accepts an extension. Make sure to select speaker or headset based on privacy needs. This affects how you manage hold and transfers during the next steps. You now enter the extension when the system prompts for it, which usually happens after the main greeting. If an auto attendant answers, choose the keypad option for dialing by extension. This directs the call immediately. When transferring from your line, use the transfer or consult feature so you can announce before completing the move, because unmanaged transfers can drop calls. Keep tones audible and wait for confirmation tones or voice prompts to complete the call by confirming the person at the extension and then proceed with your purpose. This avoids confusion if you need to transfer again. If the extension doesn't connect, try alternate entry methods like dialing 9 plus the extension or selecting operator. Different PBX systems expect different prefixes. Make sure your phone sends DTMF tones and that call forwarding rules aren't intercepting the call, because most extension problems come from tone settings or forwarding conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.